Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your question, it manages your tasks, runs businesses, and also does our social work. This is not science fiction, this is called Agentic AI. In today's lecture video, we will learn how to use Agentic AI and what is the difference between Agentic and Generative AI with real life examples. If you are new to our channel, subscribe Park Web Studio and follow our Instagram page. Let's start our video. What is Agentic AI? So basically, Agentic AI is an AI system that can pursue a goal on its own and break it into further steps, and also can take actions, make results, and adjust it anywhere. We will also compare between generative AI and agentic AI, that what is the main difference between agentic AI and generative AI. So generative AI is also a system which creates new content, text, images, audio, code, or a video in response of a prompt. Like the big example of generative AI is ChatGPT, and the big example of agentic AI is Claude AI. Further, we will go for it and use it as examples. The four main tasks or the four main actions which generative AI takes is it can create text, it can create you images, it can create you code, or it can create you audio or video. So what is the difference between generative and agentic AI? Generative AI, its goal is to produce a single piece of content, one single piece of content, as well as agentic AI, its task is to do multitasking. It can do one then more task at a time. So generative AI can respond once, but as compared to generative AI, agentic AI keeps working across many actions and can also take decisions further by further. And generative AI can take no memory actions, while agentic AI remembers your context and every actions you have taken. So the best comparison between generative and agentic AI is ChatGPT versus Claude. So we will take some examples from ChatGPT and agentic AI. So we will simply go to ChatGPT and assign it a task. For example, I'll give a task to ChatGPT that find the best laptop for editing my videos under 15,000 RS and create a comparison report. Now I will copy this text, copy it. First I'll give it to ChatGPT, and then I'll go to Claude AI and give the same text to this. Like for example, when I gave to Claude AI, so it asks me some basic question that what currency is your 15,000 budget in. So it's PKR. I'll select PKR. After then it asks me that your budget of 15,000 is too low for any laptop. What did you actually mean? So I'll increase the price like 1,50,000, for example. 1,50,000. So it's searching and making a report for me. And if we go to ChatGPT and look what has it done, so you can look at here, it has created me a very simple and basic table of comparison report, that for example processor, the RAM, storage, graphic, multitasking recommendation. Okay, so here the Claude AI has created me the comparison report, and if I go to the WPS Office and open this file. So you can see here it has made a very professional report for me. Like you can't compare that this is made by AI or a human. This is the benefit of using Claude. So you can see here it is a very professional report, and if we compare this with the ChatGPT report, it's very basic report. So this was the big comparison between generative AI and agentic AI. Whereas generative AI, it makes your work more easier and effective. So this was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you have any confusion related to ChatGPT or Claude, you can comment down below or DM on my Instagram account. Till then, I'll meet you in another video.